Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Are you preparing for FA3 exam, children? Okay, so let us start our revision class. So in the last class, we completed multiplications now. So now everyone open page number 64. Page number 64. So observe 4.4. So here given 6 groups of 4 erasures. Okay, children? 6 groups of 4 erasures means 6 4 ja 24. Okay, 6 4 ja 24. And in the example 2 here given 4 groups and each group have 6 eraser means 4 groups of 6. 4 6 jar also 24. 6 4 jar 24 and 4 6 jar also 24. So what do you observe here, children? Changing the order of numbers in multiplication does not change the product. Okay, changing the order of numbers. So here first given 6 and here 4. But here 4 and here 6. Here just change the order of numbers. Okay, just change the order of numbers. But product does not change. Okay, if changing the order of numbers in multiplication does not change the product. Okay, children, so remember this point, everyone. And here given multiplication grid, which two numbers are multiplied to get the given numbers 16, 18 and 40, children. You have to do these problems. Next, open page number 66. 4.6. Sushan and her classmates are going on a trip to a theme park in 2 buses. They are going in 2 buses. And in each bus, 34 students are there. Okay, in each bus, 34 students are there. So, find the total number of students. Okay, in bus, 34 members are there. And how many buses are there totally? They are going in 2 buses. Means multiply with 2 to get the total students. Okay. So multiplication always starts from ones place. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Multiply like that, children. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Okay. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So means totally 68 students are traveling in these 2 buses. Okay, 64 students are traveling in these 2 buses. Next, multiplication with 3-digit number. Okay, multiplication 231 into 2. 231 into 2. So first what you have to do, children? You have to write the numbers one below other. 231 in 2. So addition multiplication always starts from ones place. Okay. So 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are. So first multiply with ones place, next tens place and hundred place. Now 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. Okay. You have to do like that, children. What is multiplication? I given one definition also, children. Multiplication means repeated addition. Okay, multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay. So next, open page number 68. Open page number 68, children. Observe 4.7. Here given totally 6 problems. In this now I will explain C1. 51 into 8. How to do multiplication, children? So write numbers one below others. 51 into 8. Okay, write like this. You have to write places also to get the to do the problems very easily. So 8 ones are 8. Okay, next 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 means where you have to write 40? you have to write like that. Is it correct, children? No, don't write like this. 40 means write 0 below the tens place and write 4 after the tens place, means it is 100 place. So the product of 51 and 8 is 408. Okay, 408. Okay, are you clear? Next, now we are going to learn about multiplication with regrouping. Okay, now we are going to learn multiplication with regrouping. So observe C1. Open page number 70, children, and observe 4.8. Okay. So otherwise once listen. 1252 into 6. 1252 into 6. So first multiply with ones place of the digit. Okay. 6 twos are 12. So 6 twos are 12. Is it a 2-digit number? You have to write 12 here, children. Is it right? No. Regroup the number. So 12 means you have to write 2 here and move 1 to the next place of the digit. Okay, children? Now multiply the tens place of the number. 6 5s are 30. 6 1 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24 and 6 5 is 30. Now you have to add this one. Here 1 is there, no. You have to add 1 compulsory, children, otherwise your problem will be wrong. 30 plus 1 is 31. So again 31 you have to write here. No. Regroup the number 1 here and move 3 to the 100 place. Next, 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So write 5 here and carry 1 to the next place. 6 1 is 6. You have to add this one. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 1252 into 6 is 7512. Okay, children? Next, multiplications quick tips. Open page number 72. Quick tips. So if you multiply number with 10 or 100 or 1000, you have to multiply with 1. You have to write the same number and write the number of zeros. 4 into 10, 4 into 100 and 4 into 1000 given here. Okay, you have to write the numbers and count the number of zeros. How many zeros are here? Write 0. And here write this number. How many zeros are here, children? 2 zeros. So 4 into 100 is 400. And here also write number. Let us count how many zeros are here. 1, 2, 3. So write 3 zeros in the product. Okay, if you multiply number with 1, number with 10, 100 or 1000, you have to write the same number and count the number of zeros and write that zeros in the product. Okay. Now observe how can we quickly multiply the numbers 40 and 200. So 40 and 200 means how to multiply, children? So here 40 and 200. So first multiply with 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8. And now write number of zeros. Let us count number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. So here 3 zeros are there, means it's 8000. So 40 into 200 is 8000. You have to do like that, okay, children? Now in 4.12 observe 50 into 40. So 50 into 40 means first multiply with 4. 5 fours are 20. Okay, 5 fours are 20. Now let us count how many zeros are here. 2 zeros are there. So again you have to write 2 zeros. 5 fours are 20 and here 2 zeros are there. Now you have to write these 2 zeros. Okay children. And if you multiply number with 0 is 0, product is 0. Okay, if you multiply number with 0, product is 0. 305 into 6. So how to multiply once? Listen. 6 5s are 30. So you have to write 0 here and 3 here. So yes, 6 zeros is 0. If you multiply number with 0 is 0. But here 3 is there. Now you have to write 3 here. 6 3s are 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18. You have to do like this. Do like that, children. So this is about today's revision class. So everyone be prepared for FA3 examinations and write well. If you have any doubts in the class in this chapter, call to me and ask your doubts. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day. All the best everyone. Be prepared.